Imagine a world where a single drop of blood could unlock a comprehensive health analysis, eliminating the need for traditional, often painful blood draws. This was the tantalizing promise of Theranos, a startup that captivated investors, the media, and the public alike. Elizabeth Holmes, the ambitious founder of Theranos, promised to transform medical diagnostics with groundbreaking technology. However, behind the polished image, there was a web of lies and deception. This eventually led to the collapse of her company, making it one of the most notorious frauds in Silicon Valley's history. As a result, Holmes was sentenced to 11 years in prison. In the nation's capital, Washington, D.C., a young girl named Elizabeth Holmes was born on February 3, 1984. Raised in a family with a rich legacy, her father, Christian Rasmus Holmes IV, held various roles in public service and business, while her mother, Noel Ann Doust, worked as a congressional committee staffer. This environment instilled in Elizabeth a profound sense of ambition and a desire to make a significant impact on the world. During her formative years in Houston, Elizabeth attended St. John's School, where she was known for her determination and academic prowess. She developed a keen interest in computer programming and even started attending Stanford University's summer Mandarin program, showcasing her drive to excel beyond her years. Elizabeth's passion for innovation led her to Stanford University in 2002, where she pursued chemical engineering. However, her vision extended beyond the classroom. In 2003, at 19, she filed her first patent for a wearable drug delivery patch and claimed to have developed a device capable of running over 200 blood tests from a single finger prick. This innovation promised to make blood testing more accessible, efficient, and less painful, a breakthrough that could transform preventive medicine. And soon after these, she dropped out to establish Collage to start her own company, Real-Time Cures, which she later renamed Theranos. Theranos aimed to revolutionize the medical industry with its proprietary device, the Edison. The company claimed this technology could perform over 200 blood tests using just a single drop of blood, promising faster, cheaper, and more accessible healthcare diagnostics. The allure of such groundbreaking innovation attracted nearly $900 million from investors, propelling Theranos to a valuation of $9 billion at its peak. High-profile partnerships and board members added to its credibility, making Elizabeth Holmes a celebrated figure in Silicon Valley. Despite its meteoric rise, Theranos' technology faced scrutiny. Insiders reported significant inaccuracies in test results. Erica Chung, a former lab associate, testified that the company's devices frequently failed quality control tests, leading to unreliable patient data. For instance, approximately 30% of prostate cancer tests and over 50% of thyroid tests yielded inaccurate results. These discrepancies raised concerns about potential misdiagnoses and patient safety. The turning point came when investigative journalist John Carreyrou of the Wall Street Journal began probing Theranos' claims. His 2015 expose revealed that the company's proprietary device, dubbed Edison, was often inaccurate and that Theranos secretly relied on traditional blood analyzers for most tests. This revelation contradicted the company's public assertions and sparked widespread outrage. Following the expose, regulatory bodies launched investigations into Theranos' practices. The Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, CMS, identified deficient laboratory practices that posed immediate risks to patient health. The Food and Drug Administration, FDA, declared Theranos' nanotainer blood collection device an uncleared medical device, leading to its withdrawal from the market. These actions underscored the ethical breaches committed by the company's leadership. In 2018, Elizabeth Holmes and former President Ramesh Sunny Balwani were charged with multiple counts of fraud. In January 2022, Holmes was found guilty on multiple counts of wire fraud and conspiracy to commit wire fraud. She was sentenced to 11 years and 3 months in federal prison. Balwani faced similar charges and was also convicted. Elizabeth Holmes was once celebrated as a pioneering entrepreneur. However, as the details of her fraud became known, the media's view of her changed from praise to criticism. She came to symbolize Silicon Valley's fake-it-till-you-make-it mentality, which negatively affected the public's trust in the tech industry. The Theranos scandal prompted the health tech industry to reflect on its practices. Companies recognized the need for transparency, thorough testing, and strict adherence to regulatory standards. In response, many firms have implemented stricter compliance measures to rebuild trust and prevent similar incidents. As of February 2025, Elizabeth Holmes is serving her 11-year sentence at the federal prison camp in Bryan, Texas. By 2025, Theranos has been officially dissolved. The company's downfall serves as a cautionary tale about the perils of overpromising and under-delivering, especially in fields where accuracy is paramount. That was the story of Theranos. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're interested in learning about two people who were once rejected in a job interview at Facebook, yet went on to build one of the biggest messaging apps, WhatsApp, be sure to check out the video playing on the screen.